has known this girl since her teenage.
हाँ.
And she's her nun, but she's so thoughtful
Because
and
वो
concerned.
वो होगी ना, childhood bestie भी होगी.
And she knows कि teenage के अंदर इसको anorexia था, इसको eating disorder रह चुका है, और उसको concern था मोटापे के ऊपर ये होगा. और ये अक्सर औकात होता है when you hear it from your loved one ना, ज़रा मोटी हो गई हो, ज़रा ज़्यादा put on कर लिया तुमने, ज़रा सा lose करो, तो आप वो 1-2 किलो नहीं सोचते.
फिर
आप हल्का सा shed नहीं सोचते, आप you go into crisis mode.
I was always a fat baby and I was always a fat teenager, not even fat, obese.
Men who take way too much care of themselves, I think मुझे ज़रा सा put offing लगता है.
हाँ.
इतनी भी मत करो.
दिल जले यहाँ तो सभी दिल जले हैं.
Story time. My brother and his wife, Rabia, have been married for 8 years.
Ooh.
I've known her since we were teenagers and we've always been close. She has also struggled with disordered eating in her teens. But she had recovered before she married my brother.
Okay.
Relatable. They now have 2 kids and she gained 20 to 30 pounds when she was pregnant. I was worried it would trigger her anorexia again. But thankfully, she pulled through it. And I was so proud of her. Then my brother ruined everything. A year after their second baby, she hadn't lost all the weight she had gained. He told her that he wanted to help her lose weight and admitted he was less attracted to her. I live in a different city, so I didn't know this happened. Rabia kept losing more and more weight, and I didn't even recognize her the next time I saw her. My brother told me he was seriously concerned because she had almost completely stopped eating and she exercised too much. After he told me everything, I was furious. I told him that it was his fault for telling his wife to lose weight and that he needed to get her into a program. He said he already felt guilty and I should leave him alone, but I don't care.
Oh my God.
I know, girl.
Damn. That
Eating
is
disorders, weight gain after pregnancy, husbands
20
shaming
to 30
their
pounds कितने kg होगा?
10.
10 किलो. हाँ. मतलब 5 kgs में थोड़ा सा आपको फील नहीं होता, लेकिन 10 में तो आप थोड़ा डिफरेंट लगना शुरू हो जाते हो.
Yeah.
लेकिन फिर भी trying to say that lose all the weight and then that just triggered her anorexia pattern.
Yeah.
अब getting it out of that, अब ये थोड़ा सा वो हो जाएगा, difficult हो जाएगा.
The point is that the girl who wrote to us has known this girl since her teenage.
हाँ.
And she's her nun,
मतलब sister in law.
technically.
हाँ.
But she's so thoughtful.
Because
and
वो उसकी
concerned.
वो होगी ना, childhood bestie भी होगी.
And she knows कि teenage के अंदर इसको anorexia था, इसको
हाँ.
eating disorder रह चुका है, और उसको concern था कि मोटापे के ऊपर ये होगा. और ये अक्सर औकात होता है when you hear it from your loved one ना, कि ज़रा मोटी हो गई हो, ज़रा ज़्यादा put on कर लिया तुमने, ज़रा सा lose करो, तो आप वो 1-2 किलो नहीं सोचते.
अब फिर
आप हल्का सा शेड नहीं सोचते, आप you go into crisis mode. आप एक ब्लैक होल के अंदर टम्बल करना शुरू कर देते हैं. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट द कंसर्न इज कि यस, आप बता सकते हो अपने पार्टनर को व्हाट यू लाइक एंड डू नॉट लाइक अबाउट देयर अपीयरेंस एंड दे शुड एडजस्ट इट, और यू वुड अप्रिशिएट इफ दे आर एडजस्टिंग इट. फाइन, इतना बुनियादी हल्का फुल्का तो हमें पता है भाई, हम कर लेते हैं. लेकिन व्हेन समबडी इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम एन ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर, इट्स लाइक पुशिंग देम ओवर
pushing them
Oh,
into
over.
chaos.
Yeah, like I was always a fat baby and I was always a fat teenager, not even fat, obese. मैं 100+ kgs होती थी.
What?
Yes. I was really fat.
Where is it?
So मुझे पहले वो होता था कि मोटा होना it's not a problem, ये वो, but see when you come to a certain stage in life जहाँ पे you are like, you know, you are treated like a second class citizen because you are fat.
Yeah.
So that kind of pushes you. And then I did fall into मतलब diet वाइट, I was like obsessed. मतलब diet तो it was more like, मेरे लिए diet was के खाना ना खाओ, भूखे मरो. और to a point where I was blackout होता था, मैं गिर जाती थी, dizzy spells, you know. And I think I dropped down to 55 kgs and I looked so bad. Everybody would come to me and say, क्या हुआ, तुम बीमार लग रही हो, what happened, you know. But it's fine. आपको बस एक have you watched the movie American Psycho? Yeah, you should watch it. He's obsessed with working out. He's obsessed with losing weight. American Psycho is like he kills women also, but he
By the way, he also kills, but Rose is telling us about his gym stories.
he will work out like office mein, like ghar pe, idhar udhar. He's obsessed with skincare and he's obsessed with losing weight.
Was he gay?
No, he's very handsome, by the way.
Gay men can be handsome too.
No, he's not. He used to actually date these women and then court them, and then I don't know why he would just kill them.
अच्छा वैसे आपस की एक बात बताऊं on that. आपस की एक बात बताऊं, like men who take way too much care of themselves, I think मुझे ज़रा सा put offing लगता है.
हाँ.
इतनी भी मत करो. Like हाँ.
But he did not give that feminine वाला touch. He gave a very आजकल उसकी memes भी बहुत वो निकली हुई है. Something Bateman, Peter Bateman, where he's like ऐसे करके वो smile करता है.
Oh yes, I'm intimately unaware of that, but we were talking about men who take a lot of care of themselves, like like a great do take good care of yourself compared to men जो कि बिल्कुल अपना ख्याल ही नहीं रखते, ना खुशबुएं लगाते, ना स्किन केयर करते हैं, उनको कुछ पता ही नहीं होता किसी भी चीज़ का.
I think personal hygiene is a big element.
Also skincare.
Skincare, your teeth,
Yeah.
your hair. Please make sure to use a good deodorant. Acha, I notice nails.
Yeah.
I notice nails. I notice how they take care of their fingernails. If they're like really ऐसे bite किए हुए होते हैं ना, that's like
that like kind of puts you off.
that kind of, and shoes also like.
Stream it on my coach, stream it on my